Zona again. I'm back with another unboxing.
So beautiful, adorable. Should I buy it?
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I miss you guys. I've been gone to Bali and Paris for my 40th birthday. I'm so thrilled, I'm so excited. This is such an amazing purchase and I can't wait to share it with you. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Zona. I share videos about fashion, how to style, shopping for shoes, handbags, and I share my travel vlogs and eating out with my handbags. So I hope you subscribe, like my video, and share it to your friends, and write some comments below. Let me know what you think of the items that I am going to be sharing with you. I will really appreciate to know your opinion. Are you ready? Let us first start with the one I got at the flagship in Paris at the 19 Rue CAMBON, and oh my god, this is such an adorable purchase. I could be pairing this with all my bags, Chanel bags or any other bag. It's just so versatile, so classic, and everyone just love it. So I know that I will really love this one as well. Let's take out the flower. Oh my. I don't know, this is such a lovely one, and it's very exciting. I haven't done any unboxings, so this is gonna be a real unboxing for the items that I picked up in Chanel. And to reveal, here it is. Let me show you closely. Right here. Oh, so adorable. And it comes with this thing right here, like a booklet, and here's another booklet right here. And so let's open it up. Ta-da! How pretty, so adorable, so cute, so lovely. Wow, this is such an amazing little card holder. I prefer card holders without the zipper, because I just feel like it looks more luxurious when it comes with the zipper and it's showing outside. I kind of don't like that, but this one is just so adorable. I love it so much. It's the Camellia flower in black, caviar leather with gold, like a champagne gold hardware. And oh my god, this is, I really like it, and I know that this is going to be a very durable one. So this is made in Italy, and it has its authenticity card inside. And that's it for this. I could pair this with my new bag and other bags as well. I have one item here that I actually forgot to buy in Paris, and as soon as I got home I had to stop by at South Coast Plaza. I wanted to make sure to get it before it's all gone, because sometimes Chanel, they make some items, colors, and then if they're all out of it, you just can't repurchase them because they don't make exact the same color, unless if it's in the classic line. But I've seen this for a while now and it's been in my mind, but however, I'm not sure why I totally forgot it when I was in Paris. Gosh, this is quite overwhelming purchases. So much fun, exciting. And this one also comes with a little booklet, like all of them, care instructions, and oh this one is the classic one. I have this in lambskin. as soon as I bought it, my daughter just snatched it from me. So I never got to wear them, and up to now she's still using it. And I did quite a lot of shopping there for her as well. So not only for myself and some of friends, family, a few items here and there. So it was quite a fun vacation. So here it is. Of course, the card holder. It is also in gold hardware. It's quite a lighter gold, I would say, but I'm not sure. Quite yellowish compared to the champagne gold. I don't know if it's just the light, but I decided to get it in the caviar leather because I see my daughter has the lambskin and it wears very fast. She wears them every day. So I thought maybe I'll get it in the caviar. So it also comes with the authenticity card right here. So there you go. Beautiful, really cute, adorable card holder. It could fit like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 cards, I would say. So I love card holders. They're just fun to have. So that's that one. And that one was also purchased. Actually, this one, I believe I got it from 51 Montaigne at that boutique in Paris. And I had a really sweet, amazing SA or CA there. Cecilia. Hi, Cecilia. I hope you're watching, but I really enjoyed our time together when I was shopping there. And I will visit you guys again for sure. She's just a sweetheart. She just go extra miles for me. It was very fun shopping, and I met a few friends there, and I hope you're watching here as well. So I met some people there while shopping, drinking coffee, eating some chocolates. What an experience. I love meeting new people that also like what I like. Let's move on to the next one. I think this has to be the one that I got here in South Coast when I arrived. So I'm gonna show this to you right now. Let's reveal this cutie. And so exciting. What a birthday celebration. Chanel is quite expensive investment, so I have to be very careful on which ones to buy. I have to really like it, and researching a lot for a few years now, reading a lot is really helping me to decide what I will add in my collections in the coming months and years, I guess. So now to reveal, of course, this is the one I got from the home boutique, from my home boutique here in South Coast Plaza, Orange County. So I have this booklet with it, and this one as well. So I know you're really gonna like it. Oh my gosh. Let's reveal this. Charan! This is the Camellia card holder in a champagne gold. Beautiful. How stunning is she? It's also in the caviar leather, so it's hard wearing. This is going to be very durable, I believe so. Better than lambskin, so that's why I got one. They come in different colors as well, and it has its authenticity card. So really beautiful. I love it. Let me know if you have one of these. I've seen this at the boutique for a few months now, so hopefully they would stay as classic because it's just adorable. But anywho, I wanted to get one just in case they ran out, because it could get expensive to get it from the secondhand sellers, from the resellers.
Oh wow, it has chocolate cake. Beautiful.
I hope you enjoy my unboxing from my Paris Chanel haul, plus the bonus from South Coast Plaza. I really had a wonderful moment in Paris, and my memories in Bali. I will be sharing a lot of videos. I still have videos from Japan and China. So I traveled 4 countries in like 6 months, so it was so overwhelming, but I can't wait to share all of them with you. Thanks a lot for watching my unboxing, and I plan to do another unboxing and we'll be sharing that with you, my other items that I picked up from Paris. So make sure you watch them all together, and I'm gonna do a haul at the end. And oh my god, I'm just very thankful, and I thank you to all my subscribers. You are my friends now, you're part of my family, and I hope one day we could meet. And I'm very happy now. I'm 40, more mature. I'm glad I have not done anything to my face. I'm all natural. I just put a little makeup on, and I try not to do crazy things to my face. I feel blessed that I stay as young as possible. All right, have a good day, have a good life wherever you are. Stay healthy, and make sure you watch my other videos. I love you.